very, very good. Every step of the way they communicated with me. They let me know that it's not a matter of ordering them and having them installed the next day. And as soon as they got the window, they let me know. We scheduled the appointments. And that was the main thing, was communication. That I liked was the communication with the customer, and that really made the whole experience great. It was great. They came in, they knew what they were doing, they took down the old windows, cleared everything up, installed the new windows, all in one day. And it was like 16 or 19 windows that they did. So it was pretty fast and very efficient. Pretty good. We noticed that the AC is not turning on as much, especially at night, and I expect my electricity bills to come way down this month. So the old windows were starting to fall apart, especially from the hurricane damage that we had, and they're gone now. They've got brand new windows.